Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepshan Abhijit Mulik. Today's date is 28th of September 2021 and today's discussion topic is discussion about the inheritance. Before starting inheritance concept, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatreya Mulik. I am from Kolam district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in BE Mechanical Engineering from J.H. Rai Suni College of Engineering and Management, Wagholi, Pune, and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Sweris College of Engineering and Polytechnic, Pandharpur. That's all about me. So now we will discuss about today's concept, that is inheritance. Firstly, we will see the definition of the inheritance. Inheritance is a concept which is used to acquire properties of one class to the another class. That's all about the inheritance. While acquiring properties from one class to another class, there is one keyword is used, that is extend keyword is used to acquire properties from one class to the other class. There are some of the types of the inheritance. First one is the simple inheritance, second one is the multi-level inheritance, third one is the multiple inheritance, fourth one is the hybrid inheritance, and fifth one is the hierarchical inheritance. That's all about the types of the inheritance. Now we will see that types one by one. Firstly, we will see the simple inheritance. If we talk about the simple inheritance contains the one parent class and the one child class, and the properties of the parent class will be inherited in the child class. Parent class is also called as superclass and child class is also called as subclass. Means if there are two variables are given in a parent class and in child class there are other than the variables present in a parent class, if in a subclass there are more three variables are given, then if we create an object of that child class, then in a child class there are total many 5 variables are accessible, 2 from parent class and 3 from the subclass, that is the child class. That's all about the simple inheritance. If we talk about the second type, that is the multi-level inheritance. In a multi-level inheritance, it is a one type of chain of inheritance. Means there is one grand parent class, then the second one is the parent class, and third one is the child class. Like that, the chain of that inheritance will be followed. The properties of the grandparent class will be accessible in the parent class, and the properties from the parent class is accessible in the child class. Means in a child class the properties of both parent class and the grandparent class will be accessible. That's all about the multi-level inheritance. If we talk about the multiple inheritance, then in case of multiple inheritance there will be more than the two or more than two parent classes there and one child class is there, but it causes an ambiguity error, that is the diamond problem error. That's why in Java multiple type of inheritance will be not accepted. Means we can't use that multiple type of inheritance in Java. If we talk about the fourth type of inheritance, that is hierarchical inheritance, then in hierarchical inheritance there are one parent class and multiple there are one parent class and multiple child classes. Means we can access one parent class in the multiple child classes. That one parent class will be accessible in multiple child classes. That's in that case that type is called as the hierarchical inheritance. And if you talk about the last type, that is the hybrid inheritance. In hybrid inheritance is the combination of any of the above two types of the inheritance. Means if you talk about the hybrid inheritance, there is also concept of multiple inheritance will also come. That's why hybrid inheritance is also not supported in Java. That's all about the types of the inheritance. If we talk about the inheritance, there is some of the rules or some of the conditions for inheriting class. Means if you talk about the inheritance, there the static class never be inherited, then the final class never be inherited, and if you talk about then a private class is also been never inherited. That's all about the some of the condition of the inheritance. If we talk about the abstract class, in abstract class there is some of the methods present in a abstract class, which is the abstract method. That abstract method, uh, that abstract method must be inherited in a child class, because for abstract method there is no body present of that abstract method, and after inheritance done of that abstract methods, the body is given in the child class. That's all about the abstract class. If we talk about the interface, in same as that of the abstract class, in interface, the method, that is abstract method present in the interface, it must be inherited in a child class. That's all about the some of the conditions which is used in case of the abstract class and the interfaces. That's all about the inheritance. Thank you.